Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, English and Early Learning with Sadia. The following topics will be covered in this video. Watch till the end. Topic: Plan a meeting. Real-life English for planning meetings. Example: let's meet next week to discuss our project. Topic: Ask for and give the date. Learn how to suggest and confirm a date. Example: what date is best for you? How about the 15th of August? Topic: Talk about schedules. Busy, free, morning, evening, useful phrases. Example: I'm busy on Monday morning, but free in the afternoon. Topic: Make appointments. Arrange a suitable time, confirm an appointment. Example: can we schedule the appointment for Tuesday at 10 a.m.? Great, I'll see you at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Learning objectives. By the end of this video, learners will be able to plan a meeting confidently, use common phrases to suggest a meeting, respond naturally when someone proposes a meeting, ask for and give dates correctly. Ask questions like, what date works for you? Suggest dates politely using real-life examples. Confirm dates clearly and professionally. Discuss daily and weekly schedules. Talk about availability using time expressions. Use frequency adverbs such as always, usually, sometimes, rarely, never. Explain which days or times are busy or free. Make and confirm appointments. Arrange appointments for work, interviews, or personal needs. Confirm the time and day of an appointment politely and clearly. Use phrases for rescheduling if needed. Use practical real-life language. Apply natural English in social, personal, and professional settings. Improve spoken fluency through everyday conversation patterns.
Let's start dialogues, conversations between two people. Plan a meeting. Professional dialogue 1.
Let's meet next week to discuss our project in detail. We really need to finalize the next steps.
Yes, definitely. Which day works best for you?
Wednesday afternoon would be ideal. I'm free after 2 p.m.
Great. Let's lock 3 p.m. for the meeting.
Perfect. I'll send you an email confirmation.
Sounds good. Looking forward to it. Plan a meeting. Professional dialogue 2.
We need to review the monthly report together. Can we arrange a meeting for that?
Sure, I have time on Friday morning. Is that okay for you?
Yes, Friday works for me. Let's meet at 10 a.m.
Great. I'll prepare the data beforehand.
Excellent. This will help us finish the report on time.
Exactly. See you on Friday. Plan a meeting. Social dialogue 1. Meeting with friends. Hey, we haven't met in ages. Let's plan something this weekend.
Yes, I was thinking the same. How about Saturday evening?
Saturday is perfect. Should we go for dinner?
Dinner sounds great. Maybe at our favorite cafe.
Perfect. I'll book a table.
Awesome. I can't wait to catch up.
Plan a meeting. Social dialogue 2. Meeting with friends. We should plan a small get-together next week. Everyone is missing each other.
True, I'm free on Thursday night.
Thursday works. Let's meet at my place then.
Sounds good. I'll bring snacks and drinks.
Great. It will be fun.
Definitely, I'm excited already.
Ask and share dates. Professional dialogue 1. What date is best for you to finalize the proposal?
How about the 15th of August?
That works for me. I'll mark it on the calendar.
Perfect. Let's prepare everything before that.
Ask and share dates. Professional dialogue 2.
When can we meet for the training session?
I'm available on the 20th of July.
Great. Let's finalize that date.
Sure, I'll send a reminder one day before.
Ask and share dates. Social dialogue 1. Guess what? What? Tell me quickly. We are planning a friends reunion after years. Wow, that's exciting. When do you want to have it? I'm thinking about the 10th of September. That date works for me. Let's ask the rest of the group too. Yes, I'll make the group message today. Ask and share dates. Social dialogue 2. Guess what? What? Don't keep me waiting. My engagement date is finally fixed. Oh wow, that's amazing. When is it? It's on the 5th December. That's wonderful news. I will definitely save the date. Thank you. I want everyone close to me to be there. When do we use guess what? We use guess what when we want to start a conversation with excitement. It prepares the listener for interesting or surprising news. For example, guess what? I passed my exam. Discuss daily schedules. Professional dialogue 1. I'm busy on Monday morning with meetings, but I'm free in the afternoon. Great! Then let's schedule our discussion at 3 p.m. That works. I will prepare the documents. Perfect. See you then. Discuss daily schedules. Professional dialogue 2. My Thursday is packed, but I am free after 5 p.m. Let's meet at 5:30 then. Good idea. That gives me time to wrap up my task. Perfect. We will meet then. Discuss daily schedules. Personal dialogue using house chores. I can't come in the morning because I have to do house chores like cooking, cleaning, and folding the laundry. Oh, that's fine. Can we meet in the evening instead? Yes, evening is perfect. I'll be completely free by then. Great. Let's meet around 6 p.m. Sounds good. I'll be ready. Discuss daily schedules. Personal dialogue using errands. I'm free in the evening. I'm already planning to do some errands like buying groceries and picking up medicines. That works. We can meet after you're done with your errands. I think I'll finish everything by 7 p.m. Perfect. Let's meet after that. Sure. Looking forward to it. Do you know the difference between house chores, errands, shopping? House chores are indoor tasks like cleaning, cooking, laundry. No travel needed. Errands are outdoor tasks like groceries, pharmacy. It requires travel. Shopping can be both indoor or outdoor. Topic skipped for today is making appointments. This topic is very important and a little long, so I'm keeping it for the next video. These topic will be covered in my next video. How to reply to job interview emails, how to confirm an interview date and time, professional appointment language, how to book a doctor's appointment or rescheduling. In my next video, I will share dialogues using useful idioms and phrases. You will also get exercises to help you become more fluent in English. Don't forget to watch the next video. You will learn a lot from it. I request you to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.